Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all doing well. Today we will going to learn a fourth chapter, that is exogenetic process part 2. We have learned part 1. In that we have types of exogenetic movement. That was mass movements, weathering, erosions and depositions. In previous chapter we have learned mass movements and weathering. In this chapter we will going to learn erosions and depositions. So let's start with the chapter. Exogenetic processes. We have learned in the previous lessons that the earth's surface wears away because of erosion. See, we in erosions we have different agents in that, whether it's river, glaciers, groundwater and all. Because of these agents the erosion take place. The eroded material gets carried away by agents. When the speed of agents reduce, the material get deposited. The agents like running water river, agents like running water, glaciers, wind, sea waves and groundwaters do the work of erosion, transportations of depositions, and deposition is done because of the transportations. Because of transportation. Then, because of these agents, the Earth's surface keeps on undergoing changes and new landforms are formed. We will study some of these landforms in this lesson. See, we have seen even the roads. When lots of holes are there in the roads, again the roads had been built, and these are the changes in the roads. These are the changes in the even in different landforms also. See now, geographical explanation. Running water flows naturally in the direction according to the gravity along the slopes and make its own way. Obviously, river also, wherever the gravity of the land will take place, the river water will go in that way. This is called as a flow of water. When many such flows of water comes together, a river is formed. The slope of the land, the type of the rock, volume of the water flowing in the river and the length of the flow, volume of the sediments in the river, etc. are factors on which the erosional, transportational and depositional of work river depends. Obviously rivers is done, the rivers flow and the deposition is done or erosion is take place because of the length of the flow, volume of the flow and the way, what are the rivers are taking the way. Now, erosional works of rivers. The rivers originate at much higher altitude from the sea level. Here, the river flow at the great speed and therefore its powers to erode is great. The river bed and the river banks get eroded because of the fast flow of water, sand particles and pebbles, etc. And the various tributaries joins the main river. All these lead to information of growth, that is canyon, V-shaped valleys and waterfalls. How the river waters fall? Because of these small particles and small way of water joins the river, and we get the big rivers or the V-shaped valley, because they are very less from the they are very far away from the mountains. So because of these waterfalls, rainfalls and different way of getting the water in the river, these are the ways and agents to get the river. Transportation and depositions by river. A river flows down the slope from the hilly regions. At the top, at the foothills, the changes in the slope causes depositions of coarse sediments. As there are deposits in the triangular shape, they form in the Alavali fan. See, in this chapter you have different kind of diagrams you can see and you can learn. When one of the depositions face is like a fan. You can see in this. See this here. In As the steepness of the slope decreases and the transporting capacity of the river reduces, it starts flow slowly. It bends often in the way is an effort to cross even small obstacles. By the time the river reaches the sea and its riverbeds becomes very wide and speeds become very slow. The sediments of the river get deposited on its bed and it is bank. See what happened now? If the flow of the different agent is very slow, the river following flows is also very gets slow, and after that it's merge with or it joins the sea water, and in that you cannot in that they can join the sea water. Then by the time the river reaches the sea, it's okay. The factor that determine the depositions of segments are the length of the rivers, volume of the water, amount of segments, and the slope of the rivers and earth's surface. Thus, landforms like flood leaves, floodplains, and deltas are formed because of the depositions of segments, etc. See 4.1, flow of water, and this flow of water and the volume of the water will give this deposition. It helps in the depositions of river, and the flow of the river will get slow. Try to understand the formation of landform like George, V-shaped valleys, waterfalls, elevated fans and meanders, food leaves, floodplains and deltas with the help of this. See, these are the different things. Elevated fan, like I said, it take the shape of the fan. Then flood leaves and the floodplain. When after the floods has been gone, this you can see. Then these are the deltas and V-shaped valley. When the valley look like a V, that's called V-shaped valley. Then work of glaciers and the landforms. In the region where the temperature are generally blowing freezing point, precipitation in this form of snowfall. Layers of snow accumulate on the earth's surface because of the snowfall. The heavy weight of these overlaying layers makes the snow move along with the slope. See what happened? Now it's talking about the snowfall area like Kashmir you can say, and Manali you can say, where these glaciers take place. What is glaciers? Snowy areas or snow. That's called glaciers. The heavy weight of these overlaying layers makes the snow move along the slope. When the slope, the what is it? The weight of that weight of the overlaying layers are very strong. What happens? The ice get melted after get melted with the slope. At the bases of layer, the snow started melting because of the frictions and the pressure from above. Glacier starts moving slowly along the slope. Like the river, a glacier to carry out the works of erosion, transportation and depositions. See this. When the weight of then erosion work by glaciers. Through this velocity is less, the mass of the ice more, and hence the glaciers endorse its own banks and its bed on the large scale. The erosional work of glaciers produce landforms like creeks, eries, horns, U-shaped valleys, hanging valleys, and roach mountains. That's called sleepbacks. We'll see till here. We'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.